Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of What You Talking About. My name is Ryan Johnson. Today we have a Victorinox timepiece to show you from the Alliance collection. Very dressy, and this particular one has a hidden surprise in the box that we're going to show you during the show. So please like and subscribe to our channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the flip side. Alrighty guys, so we're back with this pretty awesome Victorinox timepiece. Now this watch is from the Alliance collection. So let's just dive right into some of these awesome specs. So this watch comes in with a bit more of a modest case size, 40 millimeters. Now right now, smaller watches are in fashion, especially for, like dressier purposes. So if you're like anywhere between 38, 39, 40, 41, maybe as much as 42 millimeters for case diameter, you're probably in good stead, especially if your focus on this is going to be dress. So naturally, this one also has a pretty thin case thickness as well. It's only 11 millimeters, not as thin as some, but it still has some heft to it. Really good looking timepiece. Just gonna push that crown in there so you guys can see the second hand action. So as you can tell, this one is largely a polished case. That polished bezel, polished case profile, stainless steel case back, push-pull crown, nice gray dial, kind of anthracite in its color. Very sharp hour markers there. Beautiful, looks like Dauphine, or yeah, I want to say Dauphine shaped hands. We have this black leather straps textured here. It's really something. Nice tang type buckle there for easy adjustments. Now on the hands themselves and our markers, there's actually some lume, and that's for nighttime visibility. We have a date display at 3 o'clock, sapphire crystal, so this won't be scratched. Water resistance of 100 meters on this one. Now this watch features a Swiss-made Ronda 715 quartz movement. As all Swiss Army Victorinox watches, they feature that Swiss-made movement in there. Yeah, it's quite something. So I'm going to show you guys what this watch looks like on my wrist in just a couple seconds. Alright guys, so we're back, and you guys can see what this 40 millimeter case diameter looks like. Just going to pull away the gloves so you guys can get a better look. You see it just sits neatly. The lugs come out just to where the edges of my wrist are. But yeah, all in all, pretty beautiful watch on. And as an added bonus, when you purchase this watch in the box, you get this. Some gorgeous Swiss Army knife. I'm not going to go through all of the different tools in there, but that's for you to figure out, and have fun with when you have purchased the watch. But yeah, that's quite something. So just back to the watch now. Yeah. So once again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of What You're Talking About. We have an amazing deal going on right now with this timepiece. I encourage you guys to head on down to mygiftstop.com, check it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel This has been another episode of What You're Talking About. Thanks again. This is Ryan Johnson signing off.